Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and update contacts in the Outlook address book. Whether you need to change someone's phone number, update an email address, add notes, or organize your business contacts a little better, Outlook makes the whole process pretty simple once you know where everything is. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Outlook.com or launch the Outlook desktop app if that's what you normally use. Go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Outlook dashboard. Now look toward the left side or top corner of the screen for the section called People. Depending on your Outlook version, the icon may look like two small silhouettes. Click on that to open your Outlook contacts and address book. Inside the People section, you'll see all the contacts currently saved to your account. You can scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific person. This is especially useful if you have a large contact list. Now, let's say you want to edit an existing contact. Simply click on the contact's name and their details will open on the screen. You'll usually see information like their email address, phone number, company name, and notes. To make changes, click the Edit Contact button. From here, you can update any information you want. For example, maybe someone changed jobs and now has a new company email, or perhaps you want to add a mobile number or update their job title. You can also add personal notes to help remember important details about the contact. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. Outlook will automatically update the contact information in your address book. Now, if you want to create a completely new contact instead, that's easy too. Look for the New Contact button, usually near the top of the page. Click it, then enter the person's information such as their name, email address, phone number, company, and any notes you'd like to include. After filling everything out, click Save again, and the new contact will be added to your list instantly. Another really useful feature in Outlook is importing contacts. If you're switching from another email provider or moving contacts from a spreadsheet, Outlook allows you to import contact lists instead of entering everything manually. This can save a huge amount of time, especially for business users. You can also organize contacts into groups or lists. For example, you might create separate groups for coworkers, clients, family members, or project teams. This makes sending emails to multiple people much faster and keeps your contacts more organized overall. And here's a quick tip. Try reviewing your contact list every once in a while. Removing outdated information and updating important details can make communication much smoother, especially when you need to reach someone quickly. And that's it. You now know how to edit, update, and manage contacts in the Outlook address book. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any Outlook questions, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.